Hi, my name is Mustafa Albadiri. I am going to explain quiz 4, question number 4. We asked here to define row of triangles, and as we can see here, this is all the requirement of the question, and as we can see here, there is how the triangles should be, and I came here to the coding, so we have define center 2 as we required here in the question, TWH, and then we do test back W2 as another requirement, and 90 and H2 and 90. Then we go to define row of triangles, and then we enter what we asked in the question, TWH space NHZ. For I in range N, this is another code right there, and then we enter the requirement here again, TWHSZ, and then we're gonna get WH equal to HW, and then we do test pin up and test forward and center to and test pin down. After that, we hashtag everything here and we run it with a test and with the numbers that are required from us, of course. And we come here, we sign it, and then run it. And then here where we get. Thank you so much. Have a great day.